guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make my Halloween trash recipe. Now, if you've been around the channel for a while, you know that I made a Christmas white trash recipe. Some people call it reindeer food, and it is one of my most watched videos on this channel. Everyone loved it, so I decided to make a little Halloween twist on the recipe and show it to you here. We'll get to that in just 1 second, but I did want to let you know, those who have stuck around the channel and been around for a while, that my new novel, She Said He, will be on sale for 99 cents starting today. We're doing a little bit of a pre-Black Friday, a little trick-or-treat type thing, and dropping that price. So if you haven't gotten a chance to check out my novel, please check out the link below and get it on Amazon. So now let's get started on this Halloween trash recipe. Now, you might be asking, what's Halloween trash? Basically, it's a bunch of stuff mixed together, and it's actually, the combination's delicious and you're really gonna love it. So you're gonna start by melting some white chocolate in a double boiler. I just used 1 bag of regular white chocolate chips. It's about 11 or 12 ounces. After that, you're gonna just mix all of your other ingredients together in a bowl. So I have 3 cups of plain Cheerios, just regular plain Cheerios, and 1 cup of Chex Mix. Now, if you don't wanna have an uneven ratio like that, you could do 2 cups of Cheerios and 2 cups of Chex. Either way works. And then you're gonna dump in 1 bag of Halloween spooky M&Ms. The bag of M&Ms was about 10 ounces, so that's about how much we're gonna throw in there. And then the last ingredient before we get our chocolate is candy corn. Now, candy corn is a polarizing candy. Some people love it, some people hate it. So if you do not like candy corn, leave it out. Or I will tell you, if you do a little bit of candy corn, it does give kind of a nice flair to this Halloween trash. So I'm not gonna go overboard with my candy corn. I tend to not love it, but I do like a little bit in this recipe. You're then gonna just mix up those 4 ingredients. Oh, I'm getting Cheerios everywhere. But just mix up those 4 ingredients like that. After you got that chocolate melted, you're gonna go ahead and put about half over top, then stir everything together, and then put the other half in. So just get half in there like that, stir it all together, and then dump the other half in. So you're just gonna mix it all together like so, and you wanna make sure that every bit has chocolate on it. Because what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna let this cool, and it's gonna like stick together into like these delicious chunks of all the flavor. I mean, you could absolutely take a bite now, but that's not the real thing we're going for. We're waiting for when it's cooled, as hard as that may be. So this is the hard part. You are then gonna have to cover it, and you have to let it cool for at least an hour. You could actually let it cool just on your countertop or put it into your fridge and just allow it all to kind of solidify and come together. And after waiting that time, it is now the fun part. You get to dig into that delicious Halloween trash. It is so good. It has all the fun flavors of Halloween. Everything comes together perfectly. Trust me, guys, you are gonna love it. So again, my book is on sale for a little treat at 99 cents. The link is below this video if you would like to support me. You could read it on any device, your phone, your Kindle, whatever. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, and happy Halloween, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.